All right, so these vents here are aftermarket carbon fiber. And here's the original one on a 360. In terms of cooling, you're going to have a little bit more cooling with these because the vents are of larger diameter. Even though the skull is continuous, there's a lot of things in the way, and the grill is the holes are a little bit smaller than mesh. So to install this, basically, you're going to have to undo all these M6 bolts right here. Once you undo all that, you're going to have to undo this to get the last one. And then it pops right out, carefully without damaging your paint. And then there's a lot of washers that fall from there, so you got to be careful with that. Once that's off, then you're going to undo these two right here, and these hold the shock. So the shock is already off. And then you're going to do the following bolts that come down here. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4 more. And then the replacement will basically go on these bolts right here, not the ones here. The bracket will actually come off. So this is a bracket that you will not need anymore for the original grill. And that's pretty much it. And it will look like this. You can see I'm not using these two, bracket and the 4 bolts. And this is the part that comes off. I mean, this does shed, I want to say, like, it's not that much. It's made out of aluminum, but probably a quarter of a pound each side just from this.